how to update your Google Play Store. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can update your Google Play Store, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you would like to update your Google Play Store, now whenever you want to update apps, you come to your Play Store. Now if you want to update your Play Store, because it is also an app that you might want to update sometimes, but you can't search for Play Store inside of Play Store, right? That's simply not how it's going to work. To update your Play Store, open your Google Play Store, tap the profile icon from the top right hand side, and then just go to the option called settings. Once you go to settings, right here you'll find about, so you can select that about section. Scroll down, here you can see Play Store version, and you'll find update Play Store, so you can tap on it, and then here if it's up to date, you'll find Google Play Store is up to date. Otherwise you'll find the option to install the update, and it will get installed automatically. This way you can update Google Play Store. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.